Hello again, and welcome to the inside of SocialMobi videos. This is a very nice software which I bought quite a long time ago, and one of the few which I keep using, and I like the simplicity and I like what it does. And what it is I love videos. I do a lot of them, and so I'm always on the lookout of software and programs which allows you to do a little bit more with them. Like in this case, you can redirect, or you can create the different call for actions, etc., etc. So this is very clean, very, all you need stuff is here. Very nice, clean and useful menu. Starting from the new campaign, you have a A/B split test. This is a upgraded version. This is a agency version. This is the first upsell they have. The last one is upgrade to white label, which I didn't do. So with my agency, there is a couple extra items which you probably not going to see in the basic version, like manage clients. I think the manage clients is a main one, and the same here. You have add the client. That's what gives you. And also you can resell it, and you can use it. I mean, no, you cannot resell. You can resell with a white label, but you can use it on a client's Facebook or websites, and etc., etc. So this is a kind of like a pro version. Next menu item, as I said, A/B split, manage clients, my subscribers, just in case that you don't have autoresponder, or you can use the internal system, so your subscribers is going to show up here if you're going to use the subscribe and opt-in form within your videos. API integration, WordPress plugin. If you're going to use those videos on a WordPress, there is a very nice plugin which will allow you to bring those videos automatically using their plugin. Of course, statistic, very nice tutorial section which will get you up and running. And that's about it as far as the menu. So I just wanted to show you one of the examples. Let's say this one. That's how it looks inside. So starting with the name, then of course you have a look and feel. You can create different, as you can see, the skins. That player, that's a nice one. And also you can enable branding. You can have your own logo. I have a logo in the background for this particular client, so I don't need one extra. But you decide the size, and the same with play controls. Of course, play, it has a play here, so you don't necessarily have to have it here. But as you can see, you have a full control over what you want to display, autoplay. Social share settings, those are those guys down here. You can have a Twitter, you can have a Facebook, Google+, call to action. And there's also a couple choices you have here. You can do something like add it here, but you can have an image as your button. You can have a HTML, and you can have a splash. Okay, so you can choose one of those. Then you can choose either click to play or the external URL, which this is exactly what I did here. And then this is my link that after you click, that's where you're going to be redirected. And the way I did it is that this is gonna direct after you click. I'm gonna show you on the Facebook on a live example. And this is your opt-in. If you choose to have opt-in form, this is where you can have it. Okay. And to have opt-in, you can also, of course, you can integrate with your popular autoresponder. So now just by giving API, and you're going to be able to pick up your list. But again, if you don't have it, it's not a problem. And they're going to store it for you, and you're going to have it here on my subscribers. So let's go back one more time. So after you're done with your all the look and everything, all the calls to action and everything, then you have options to even save. Well, save, you have to save, but then you publish, and then you have an option between installing on a Facebook, but that installing on a tabs, you need to separate tabs. So just be aware of this, that this is installation on a tab. You need a separate tab on a Facebook, and I'm going to show you in a second how it looks like. And of course, embedded and pop-up if you installing this on a website. So this is how the video looks on, like you see, this is a regular, this is in the fun page, and I have a separate tab which this video sits here. And the way it works, it's gonna go for 21 seconds.
As a result of multiple requests from our users, the support staff at Tenet is pleased to introduce the ability to produce rent-stabilized lease renewal forms as a standalone module of our complete property management software platform.
There you go. So you have to do some sort of action. You have to click here. There is no option to skip it. If you want, you can create the option to skip it, but if you want people just to take an action, that's what you do. They cannot skip, they have to click. The moment they click, they're going to be redirecting using my URL to watch the whole video, but at the same time, I'm already have them on my landing page, which I'm trying to...
As a result of multiple requests from...
Yeah, this is the landing page, so the video, it's embedded within my landing page, and that's where I'm trying to grab their attention and direct them to the product. So yeah, that's about it. It's very clean, has all necessary stuff. Everything is here, the tutorials, the support, which is important. It's as easy as that. You just pull out the tab, and if you have questions, it's very responsive. Test them a couple times, everything works. So I recommend. This is a very nice and useful piece of software. Take care.